Okay,
Well,
ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the coolest room in the chicken farm, and on camera is Walter, extraordinary gemologist, and a student of Mother Teresa, studied under Mother Teresa. So now we're going to come over here, and we're going to show you Danny. Say hi to the camera.
Hi to the camera.
And Jim, right?
how about Brian?
How about
Brian from Sweetwater, but Brian does these beautiful
get out of-
Texas landscape pictures, and he also has this beautiful jewelry. And we have another gemologist in Danny over here,
Yeah.
and her wonderful son and
His-
assistant.
And his photography on the wall there.
And I do believe that Walter, the professor, and his wife just came into their studio. So let's go over and introduce everybody to Professor. Oh, you. This is welcome to Central America. We have Guatemala and Honduras, all represented. Yay, Central America! Are y'all eating your tamales yet?
Not yet. But we have wonderful tamales.
In honor of Mexico and our brothers in Central America, we are soon going to be eating tamales
menudo
for breakfast.
and tacos. And
We can hardly wait. Yum, yum, taquitos. Okay, let's. No, we want to go say hello. We have to cut it.